Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today we'll talk about another very important data structure in Python. It's called a dictionary. First, let's define an empty dictionary. As you can see that the dictionary is different than a list, which start with like a square bracket, or it's not like a tuple, start with bracket. So next, let's add something to dictionary. Say student, say name, say John. Here, I add something to dictionary, which the key value is name, and the value is John. So I want to add something more, say score equal to 100. Right, so I add two key values, name and score, and their corresponding values are John and 100. Let's print out the student, how that looks like. Okay, I need to rerun here. Okay, here is our student. As you can see, it's totally different than the list or a tuple. Here it has a key value name, and the value is John. Another key score, the value is 100. Right, so this is called a list. So let me add something more, say student last name Smith. So I change that to first name and last name and the score. I'm gonna print out student. As you can see that I changed the key values. I add another key value, say last name. The value is Smith, right? So what if I don't want to print out the whole list. I want to access the student score, right? So I can just use the key value called score here, and I print out here 100, right? So next, what if I wanted to modify the value for the dictionary for certain key? Say my student score is equal to 99. So let's print it again to see how that goes. And you can see that my original score is 100, but right now my score changed 99, right? So what do I change with the last name? Say John to Williams. So let me print the whole dictionary. As you can see, my last name changed to Williams instead of Smith here, right? Okay, sometimes if I want to delete a certain key, say student, say score, right? So let's run. As you can see that here is my deleted score. It looks, as you can see that both the k score and the value for this k are both deleted here. So next, let's talk about how to access the element through the k. So sometimes if I got a list, I don't know what's the k in this dictionary. So there's a way, say print student case. I can get all the case in this dictionary. Okay, and you can see that dictionary case first name and last name. So let me show you another way. Say for x in student dot case, I print out here. You can see first name, the last name print out here, right? So what if I want to access the element through the k student? Change that a little bit. For k equal to, for k in student.case, and I'm printing out each k, the value corresponding to each k. Okay, I can see John and William, right? So there's another way, say values in student items. So by this way, I can print out both k and value. Let me change that a little bit to value. And let me add something here. Say okay, you can see that k, value, k, and value, right? So I think I cover all of them in this video. Thank you for your watching today. I'll see you in the next video.